In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of how to convert PHP website into a desktop application. Converting a PHP website into a desktop app typically involves packaging your PHP code along with a minimal web server and a browser engine into a single executable file. This allows your PHP application to run locally on a user's machine without requiring a separate web server or a database server to be pre-installed by the user. So I'm going to give you the main approaches on how to do this. So the main one is going to be by using PHP desktop or exe output for PHP. So essentially, this is going to be bundling a web server and browser. This is the most direct and common method. These tools will bundle a lightweight web server, a PHP interpreter, and a browser engine. You place your PHP website files, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP scripts, into a specific directory within the tool's structure, and it is going to create an executable. So if you want to use it, look for PHP Desktop. It is going to be available on GitHub, and you will be able to download to use everything. The pros include the fact that it is free, open source, supports various PHP versions, includes a browser engine, and can run many frameworks. It is relatively easy to set up for basic applications. However, for the cons, development might not be as active as commercial solutions, and it might require more manual configuration for complex setups, so it is ideal for smaller projects. If you want to use something more tied into the commercial world, I recommend using exe output. This essentially does the same thing. You will be able to load your file here related to PHP, and it is going to be converted properly into a desktop application with the exe file. So just download the respective software and use the tools inside. Load up your PHP website with the specific directories, and you will be able to convert everything. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert PHP website into desktop application. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.